Today we're going to talk about the subtraction strategy of using a concrete model. A concrete model is just using a picture or blocks to show a subtraction problem. So when we talk about a subtraction problem, it's important to remember what subtraction means. For example, if we have 435 and we take away or subtract 287, that means that we are going to start with 435 and we're going to take 287 away from that. So when we show our concrete model, our model needs to show that as well. I like to start looking at a concrete model with a place value chart to help organize my thinking. So I make a chart with 3 columns, and I'm going to label those hundreds, tens, and ones. Now that I've got that model, I'm going to start with my initial number, 435. That's how much I start with. So I'm going to show that by drawing 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remember what I said. Subtraction is when we're going to take away from our total. Our total in this case is the 435. So we are going to take away 287. When I subtract, it's important to remember to always start at the ones place. The reason is you might need to regroup because you might find that you don't have enough ones and you'll have to take a 10 and change it into ones. So let's take away 7 from our ones. I notice though that when I go to take away 7, I've only got 5 ones, so I do need to regroup. So in order to get more ones, I'm going to jump over to the tens place, and I'm going to take one of these tens, and I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that I have more ones, I can now take away 7. So now I'm going to take away 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones left over. So how that looks in our problem, our original problem, is that we took away one of our tens, and that left us with 2 tens left over. We turned that 10 into 10 ones, which means that now instead of having 5 ones, we had 15 ones. 15 minus 7 was 8, and now I can take away my tens. I need to take away 8 tens, but again I have the problem, I only have 2 tens, so I need to get more tens. So I'm going to come over to the hundreds place. I know that in 100 there are 10 tens. So if I take away 100 and change it into tens, I get 10 more tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have enough to take away. So I'm going to start taking away my 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And when I take those away, I'm left over with 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, or 40. Well, how that looks in our original problem is that I took away one of my hundreds, so that I only had 3 hundreds left, and I changed it into 10 tens. I already had 2 tens, so I took those 2 tens and that 10 tens and got 12. Now I could do 12 minus 8, which was my 4, and now I can take away my hundreds. I need to take away 2 hundreds. I have 2 hundreds, so now I'm just going to take them away. 1, 2, and I'm left over with just 100. So in the end, my answer is 148.